Guys, whenever a big move like this in the market happens, a lot of people get absolutely wrecked because they're not disciplined. They either try to FOMO short because they think they're missing a move and end up shorting the bottom right down here, or they try to catch a falling knife, as they say, and long too early and get wrecked and end up looking like this. And you can't let FOMO get the best of you. You need to stay cool, calm, and collected, just like this guy. Now, the truth is, guys, whenever a big move happens, an opportunity opens up for the market. Last week, there was basically no volatility, and now we're starting to get some volatility after this dump. This creates a new range for us and a new and easy range to analyze where we can find and look for very easy trades. Now, if you don't know, I have a trading ranges tutorial on my YouTube channel, so that will be linked in the description down below. Make sure you go and check that out fully in detail, but I want to show you how after a large move like what we had last week, we start to range. So how do we analyze the range? Well, the first things first, we want to identify a high, which was this right here, and we want to identify a low, which was obviously the low over here. So give or take, this is the range that we're working in right now. After we identify the high and the low of the range, we want to pull a volume profile across our obvious range right here. So now we can see we have a clear value area high, a clear point of control, and a clear value area low. Guys, this can help you for targets when it comes to your trades, and it can give you perspective as to what is considered high in terms of pricing, what is considered premium, and what is considered a discount when it comes to this range. Now, of course, I use Market Cipher B, which in my opinion is the best and only oscillator that you need to help me get into my trades. But these levels can help you find your key levels and give you a reference point as to what is high and what is low when it comes to the new range. The very first thing that we need to know is whenever we're above the value area high, we're looking for shorts. Whenever we're below the value area low, we are looking for longs. Now, of course, we're going to use our vector candles by pulling our TR main indicator. So we know, for example, that this is a very large vector candle, and that price is very likely going to at least come down to recover 50% of this candle, if not take the low. Whenever a range is formed, what happens normally is price will consolidate as it is right now. It will spike up and take the high, consolidate, spike down and take the low, consolidate, and so forth. So what happens, and not in this order, by the way, it could take the high first and then take the low, or take the low first and then take the high. But what happens is the range starts to increase. So when the high gets taken, the range gets pushed up further. And when the bottom gets taken, the range gets pushed down further. That's what happens typically when it comes to a new range. When you're in a fresh range, these are the trades that you want to look for. So right off the bat, we're going to put this back. Right off the bat, we have a couple of trades and we can draw our boxes. We have a couple trades right in this area, right off the bat, without doing any technical analysis, really, without doing anything more than just looking at the swing high and the swing low, and we're watching for potential swing failure patterns or SFPs. I also have a tutorial on SFPs, so make sure you go and you check that out. What are two other trades that we can look for when it comes to literally any range? Well, we look for the golden pocket or 786 zone. So if you pull from the swing bottom, the swing low, to the swing high, and in this case, and remember, when you're pulling your Fibonacci's, you have to go from left to right. So this is our low, and this was our next high after the low. So we pull a fib from the low to the high, and we can look in this zone right here for an entry in between our golden pocket and 786. And you can also pull a Fibonacci from our high to our low. So right over here, you can also draw another line. Now, of course, on my channel, I teach you guys how to do technical analysis so you guys can find your absolute perfect entries and your sniper entries. But this right here, I'm going to delete these. This right here are 4 trade setups that are very easy and very high win rate when it comes to trading any range, and especially when it's a new range. The newer the range, the easier it is to trade, in my opinion, because as the range starts to increase and gets larger and larger, it gets a little bit more complicated. So this right here is 4 easy trades that you can look for. Now it's easy. You just wait and you wait to see for price to get into the boxes. You do not trade unless the price touches one of the boxes. And we already know that when we get up here, we're looking for shorts. And if we don't see our bearish divergences on our market cipher B, then we don't take the shorts here. And if we come up further, we're looking for shorts as well. We do not long the top. We do not long premium unless you're very quickly scalping, which I don't recommend if you're new. But we do not long the top and we do not short the bottom, right? Whenever people are FOMO shorting because price is dumping, we are expecting a long in this zone. We're expecting a reaction and some support to come in this zone. So we're looking for longs. While everyone else is shorting, we are looking for longs. So these are 4 very easy trade setups that you can look for when you're analyzing a range, okay? And in this case, because we have this monster wick, we are at some point expecting price to come and take the low. So this is a very key level that I'm going to be watching for. And all of these boxes are pretty solid in terms of trading. Now, of course, there's other ways to do your technical analysis. I teach it all on my YouTube video, so go back and watch the videos on how to find confluences, how to find the support and resistance levels, etc. But these are 4 very easy trade setups that you can look for whenever you're trading a new range. And guys, I give these levels in advance. So if you're not in my Discord, make sure you join the Discord. So if we come over to my VIP Discord, you can see here that I give the levels in advance that I'm looking for. Now, to enter my VIP Discord, you have to DM my bot, the 4-digit code that I'm about to say in this video. In this video, it will be 1211. Okay, that's going to be the VIP code. So make sure you DM the bot so that you have access to my VIP channels on my Discord and you can get the levels in advance. And I give you guys the trade setups I'm looking at. I give you the stop losses and I give you the take profit zones. So yesterday at 11:54 p.m., you could see that I gave you guys a very clear, on the 15-minute time frame, a very clear bullish divergence. And what happened actually in the night is this trade got triggered. Exactly as I said. We had a bullish divergence on the 15-minute time frame in terms of money and momentum. So we are long. We're long from the low right now. And you'll have access to these if you join the VIP Discord. So make sure you do it. I also want to give a big shout out to Dado0011. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, bro. He says, Gio, lessons learned from your trading ranges video, which we just talked about, took 50% profits already. Actually, my first profitable trade for a long, long time. So that makes me so happy that this guy's learning and everyone else is learning. He's up, give or take, $350 if he took out half already. Stop loss, I'm assuming, is at the entry and he's killing it. Guys, make sure you join the Discord. The link is down below in the description, and make sure you join the VIP Discord so you have access to my levels, you have access to the VIP chat, and most importantly, guys, I stream the Brinks box every morning from Monday to Friday. I stream the Brinks box in my VIP section. So make sure you join, make sure you get the code, and make sure you DM GeoBot the code alone, just the code alone. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. It's a very quick update, but it's just to show you that now is the time you don't want to FOMO, okay? You want to have very clear and concise trade setups. You want to have very clear and concise levels. And if you don't know how to do this, make sure you join the VIP Discord. I give you guys my levels. It's free for you to join. You just have to send the code and you'll be able to learn and ask questions as to how I got the levels. If you like the content, please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want timely updates. Right now, full transparency, I am long. I'm actually schlong, if I'm being honest, which is short and long at the same time for those who may not know. But I am actually schlong. I am expecting us to at least come up and tap this zone. I posted my trades in the VIP section, so make sure you join. I'll see you guys in there. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy trading.